Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. And in this video I'll be unboxing the HyperX quadcast microphone. So let's just get right into the video. I have cut all of the sticky bits so it's easier to just get right into the microphone. And I've got a little message. If I've got any issues, to contact them, they'll give me a quick reply and a quick guide how to build the microphone. And as you see, the microphone's already with its own little stand. It has a very easy accessible mute button, and overall it looks pretty nice. And it also comes with a 2-meter cable and a mount adapter if you want to change the mic stand. And that's it. There's nothing else to review or unbox, so I will test the item for myself, and in a week's time I'll give a little review on it. And if you liked it and you want to stay updated, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!